Hello world, my name is Millie Florence. I am a teen author, and today I'm going to tell you guys about my writing routine. The first thing I always do before I write is make tea. I'm a big tea drinker. Sometimes I'll make only one mug, but when I'm working on a long writing session, I'll make a whole pot like I'm doing right now. And while I'm letting it steep, I'll go outside and take a walk. Now, walking before I write is something that I find super helpful, and something that I try to do even if I don't have time to do other things in my routine, like make tea. Scientific studies have shown that walking outside for as little as 5 minutes can boost your creativity up to 10%. And as authors, we need all the creativity we can get. It's also a great time to think about what you're going to write before you write it. That way, when you sit down at your computer, your brain is fully prepared. And a few playful kittens don't hurt either. Then I come inside and fix up my tea. The tea I'm using in this video is chocolate pu'er tea, which is one of my favorites. When you sit down at your computer, something really good to do before you begin is to remove all distractions. Turn off Wi-Fi so you don't get any notifications, put away your phone. Here you can see me taking off my scarf because I found that a little distracting. Just adjust your writing station until it works for you. All writers are different. Some people find a messy room creatively stimulating. Others find it distracting and need everything to be clean. Some like to write in complete quiet, others enjoy music. It's totally up to you. Oh, and speaking of music, I love to listen to Gogoll. I don't usually listen to music when I write, but when I do, Gogoll is my go-to. He makes this light and lovely sort of instrumental guitar music. The music playing in this video right now is actually his music. Something else I often do while I write is take a time-lapse video of my fingers typing. I find it sort of an incentive to type when I have a camera watching me, so it actually looks like I'm doing something. Plus, these little time-lapse videos are a great thing to post if you have an author account on social media. I write using something called the Pomodoro method. You can use it for anything: studying, writing, reading. First, you set a timer for 25 minutes and work for that amount of time, then you take a 5-minute break. Then you work for another 25 minutes, and then you take a 5-minute break. It sounds really simple, but it's almost scary how much more productive I've been since I started using it. So I would highly suggest that you give it a try. Then it's time for the fun part, which is the actual writing. And I just try to get lost in the story and get all the words down. Obviously, it depends on what draft I'm on, what I'll be doing exactly, what writing actually means. But in general, just go with the flow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel for all the authorly adventures. Millie Florence, signing out.